Hi, sorry for being a little slow on doing this. This is Suite 2015, and I was reading this post over here about custom landings and so forth to make split landings. And the guy's got Suite 2015. I've been too busy to look, and so I just now looked and I found out something. I thought I'd share it. We'll go to the stair tool, and I'm just going to draw a stair and then another stair. Oops, I don't need a big one. I want a little bitty one. Okay. And we'll click in between. That creates a landing. And in Suite, you can take that landing once it's created and make a copy of it and then reshape it, just like you can in other applications like Pro and so forth. So there's, that's a landing. Let's take a look at this in 3D. Yeah, okay. So there's the automatic landing that I created between the two stair runs, and there's one a copy. And then after that, whichever side you want, let's see how this, I'll click on this side here. Okay, yeah. And just like any other application, you can turn the rail off on the sides that you don't want rail. Let's go back to the camera. See, now it just has rail on one side, one edge. And then a guy could, even though it's Suite, let's see, we don't have point-to-point move, so it's just a little bit tougher. You have to manually line stuff up. I can click on this landing here and hit the control key so it doesn't snap, and then line it up with a stair. It's like without object snaps like you have in Pro, it makes this job a little harder, but I'm going to hit the control key and line that up. Well, I didn't do a very good job of lining that up. That's the thing. In Pro, you'd have snaps. There, it snapped together. And so we'll take a copy of this and then carefully rotate it. It's just harder to do in Suite. That's all. We'll line that up over there, rotate it. I'm not going to answer that. I can leave a message. Anyway, you get the idea. I didn't line that up very well. With the fill in those landings, I can't see it all that well. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It says auto adjust height, and it's not going to snap in there until I get it just about perfect. I'm going to hit the control key and line it up over there. Okay, this one's set at 60 3/4, so this one needs to be at 67 3/4. We'll do that and uncheck auto adjust height, 67.75. There. So just like in Pro, you can do that. It's just the creation of the thing, of the landings. You use the automatic tool, steer tool, and, well, we left click and drag. Okay, I'm going to move this over here out of the way. And then you draw two stairs, and then it creates an automatic landing. Then you can take the landing thus created and reshape it and control it. So I'm sorry, I didn't really have the time to look until now, but this should demonstrate that even in Suite and let's see, this is Suite. Let's try it in interiors and see if I can do the same thing. I'm not going to save that. We'll open Interiors 2015. That's probably the least able of the software packages. Let's see if I can do the same thing in interiors, just for fun. Come on, there we go. I assume that there's yeah, there's a stair tool. We'll draw a stair and another one at another little angle. Okay, works the same in interiors. And you got a landing, and then you can copy and paste and reshape the landings as you need to. So, okay, that should thoroughly answer the question no matter what you have. Even in the least stable titles that the home designer makes, you can make custom landings and thus make winders, uh, manual winders. Thank you.